Welcome to Compressed Air Systems, a privately held, family-owned air compressor manufacturer based in the Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas metro area. At Compressed Air Systems, our goal is to manufacture air compressors that work as hard as the people who use them. Our facility is over 80,000 square feet on 10 acres that is centrally located to Interstates 20, 30, and 35. Due to our central location in the United States, our air compressors can be delivered to over 60% of the U.S. population in 2 working days, and over 90% of the U.S. population. As we start our tour, we walk you right through the front door of our facility. Next, we step into our UL and CSA certified air compressor panel assembly room. In this room, we manufacture all of our air compressor control panels. Next, we step into our small parts storage area where we store completed control panels that are UL and CSA certified, as well as all other small components utilized in the assembly of our air compressor packages. With over $3.5 million of air compressor parts in stock at any given time, we always have the parts you need on hand. With a facility that is well over 80,000 square feet, we always have the parts on hand to build your air compressor or to get parts you needed to service your air compressor to you in a timely manner. With our unique 2-piece tank and top plate design, we are able to customize your air compressor to meet your needs. With our 4 rolling assembly lines, we are able to manufacture over 150 air compressors per day. Our goal is to ship all standard package configuration orders within 24 to 48 hours of the order placement. We do this by maintaining a healthy stock of completed air compressor packages ready for shipping at any given time. Standard, we stock over 400 finished air compressor packages. We're able to do this by maintaining a healthy stock of tanks, pumps, and other parts and pieces utilized in the manufacture of air compressors. Every air compressor we manufacture is tested prior to shipping, whether the compressor is 2 horsepower or 200 horsepower. This is a test sheet for an engine-driven air compressor. This is the test sheet for an electric motor-driven air compressor. At Compressed Air Systems, we manufacture the standard as well as the specialty one-off compressor systems. Contact your local sales staff about how you would like your air compressor manufactured.